Everyone, I'm here to show you how to remove the rear tub if you've got any repairs or anything to do on a Toyota Hilux. This is my 2004, I think, Mark 3, Mark 4, whatever that is, I don't know. And apologies about shaky crap camera work again, but you know, I'm not a cameraman. So here we go, I'll show you how to do it. Very easy. This is all you'll need: 17mm spanner, maybe some snips or pliers. Phillips screwdriver, crosshead, load of WD-40 for lagging bolts, and a torch. So there you go, all pretty straightforward. I'll just show you quickly how to do it. There's 6 bolts you've got to take off underneath and remove some of the electrics. Just let it free. Yeah, let's start off from the front back, I think. So let's come down under here. You got front of the wheel arch. You got a bolt there, quite seized that was, so lots of WD-40. By the way, all of these bolts are captive, so they shouldn't need any backing off. So you go that one there, we go back across the top of the wheel arch. There's one of these on either side. It goes up in there, if you can see that. There you go, up in there. And now we'll go down underneath. I'll show you where the other ones are. Right there, if you can see that one. In there. That one actually didn't come off because that's why I'm repairing. That top member's corroded. There you can see there on the other side, same one. I've just got it resting on there. So there's 6 bolts, same on either side, pretty straightforward. Now I'll show you the electrics. All the electrics run across the back here. They just need a bit of unclipping from these little white clips you can see up there. A few clips along, just unbolt it from the back of that. This light bulb here goes into the end of there. So that just twists and comes out of there fairly easily. We'll go back out now. Oh, sorry, here I come. So the rear light clusters, you just take them off. There's 4 little screws. You take them off with your Phillips, and then just unclip that, and that will feed back down through there. You pull the wires out the bottom. And that just guide it through out the bottom there. It's fairly straightforward. Exactly the same on the other side there, you can see. And then, oops, sorry, the only other thing you got to do is the lights above the registration plate here. So there's 2 of these. Oops, sorry. You can see they sit up underneath there. It's just a little squeezy clip. You squeeze, pull that down and out, and then there's another little clip that brings it off there, and then pop him back through there. Lovely. All the electrics are completely free. So then you just take your bolts off, get you and a mate, under here, and lift it off, and I'll show you another little bit just at the end here where we lift it off. Cheers very much. So here we go, we're just going to lift it off and show you what it's like underneath. There you go. It's quite heavy, but you know, it's not too bad, but there you go. That's it, that's how it's done.